Good morning, good evening everyone. Say good morning, titas. Good morning, titas. Morning, titas, and good evening, titas. We're still awake. My baby Yan is still awake. Look at her big eyes. Look at those beautiful eyes. Uy, katatapos ko lang maligo. And hindi pa nga ako nagtagal. Nagngangaw-ngaw na siya. So, nandyan na siya. Anong nangyari sa buhok mo, baby? Wala suklay-suklay? Oh. Freely kami ngayon. Wala suklay-suklay. Para sa nanay mo, wala suklay-suklay. Wala pang suklay. Mabilis ang galaw. Naiirita na naman siya kasi mainit. Naligo naman to siya. Pero still hot in the Philippines. Look at you, baby. Look at the mirror. Look at the mirror. Ang nguso, oh. Ang nguso ng baby namin. Oh. Gulat na ako sa'yo, Monty. La 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 la. Nairita na siya. Pasok na tayo sa loob, baby, kasi malamig doon. Dito mainit. Pasok na kami doon. Ipo? Wait. I'm sorry. Oop. Oop. Stand up. Baby, stand up. Nairita na ang baby namin. Ayaw ng kisses. Ayaw ng kisses ang baby namin. Say hello. Say hello. Hello, people. Hello, mga shots. Hi. Nagugutom na to siya. Hindi ko pa mapainom kasi naliligo ko lang. Kailangan ko muna uminom ng mainit na inumin. So, meron ako itong energy. Inumin ko muna siya bago ko siya ipa-feed. Para hindi malamig yung aking gatas at hindi siya sisigmurain. Yun daw ang sabi. So, sunod na lang tayo. Which is true naman yata dahil nga malamig yung tubig. Malamig yung aking milk. Wait, baby, can I have my milk first? I will put you down here. Okay. Ay? My crumpy girl? Ay, my crumpy girl? Diyan ka muna kasi inom si mami ng energy. Diyan ka muna ikaw, baby, ha? Stay there first. Let me drink my energy first. So I can feed you. Oh, you're pretending. Oh. You're dramatic also, ha? Oh. Diyan ka muna. Say good morning, mga shots. Good morning, mga shots. Antok na po yung mami pero yung baby namin energetic pa rin. Kagabi pa yan siya gising, midnight. Hanggang ngayon gising pa po siya. Yung mother antok na. Ay, may kasalanan ako. May kasalanan ako kasi kumain ako ng maraming Milo. Siguro nakalima akong sashi ng Milo kaya siguro nagising to ng tudong-tudo. Tingnan mo naman yung mata, parang walang planong matulog. Time checks already. Nearly 7 o'clock. I got your milk. See, daddy make your milk. Wait, what's that? You farted. Here's your milk. Come on. After this, you will take we will go to sleep. Baby Ayan, after this one, we will go to sleep. Because that's too much na. I feel dizzy and sleepy and tired. Kanina pa ako nag-ano sa kanya, sayaw ng sayaw. Hanggang ngayon, hindi pa rin natutulog. Ay, kasalanan ko to. Bakit nga naman ako kumain ng Milo na napakarami? Mga 6 packs yata na Milo kinain ko. Gawin, nakalimutan ko. Parang nag-crave ako ng matamis. At yun lang yung nakita kong matamis dito sa bahay. Kaya yung pinapak ko pagkain. So, ayan. Walang tulugan yata to. What? Are you pooping? Oh, here's your milk. Daddy made your milk. Say thank you, Daddy. Yung isa hindi pa nakakatulog. Parehas kami dalawa kasi nga gising to. Umiiyak din, nadidisturbo. As usual. Nagkatabi kami sa kama. Diba? Antok na ang ina. Namumula na yung mata ko. Pula na yung mata ni Mama Baby. O, tingnan mo. Gusto na mag-shutdown. Pero ikaw, malaki pa rin mata. Walang balak matulog. Paano ba ito? Ha? Mommy's tired and sleepy now. Hurry na. After you will have your milk, we will go to sleep, okay? Yeah? Yeah? Kung hindi ka lang cute, mapapalo ka na. What's that? Kisses? Ay, Diyos ko na yun. Antok na ako. Yung mata ko, yung eyebag ko, wala na. Are we not going to sleep? Are we not going to sleep? We just stay like this? Huh? No plan at all? No plan, baby? It's morning time na. It's 7 o'clock in the morning. We're still up since when? Midnight? Huh? What time are we going to sleep? Baby? What time are we going to sleep? Whenever you feel like? Not my liking? How about Mama? Your mother sleeping na? Ay, naku, itong batang ito. Itong batang ito, sarap paluin. Ang sarap paluin ng batang ito. Wala nang planong magising o matulog. I'm not happy now. Baby Ayan, I'm not happy now. Wala man ding araw. Magpa-araw sana tayo kasi wala yung araw. Asaan kaya yung araw? There's no sunshine? No morning sunshine? Let's go sleep, baby. Ano yan? Sinok ka na naman? Ba't iba yung kulay mo dito, baby? Iba yung kulay sa camera. Mukha kang sunog. Yung camera natin walang hostisya. Nating cellphone. Wala na. Lahat na sumuko. Tayo na lang yung hindi susuko nito. Ay. Yung laruan na lang kita. Chuk. Ay, chik. Ayaw mong matulog eh. There's a drama outside and there's a drama inside. Look at my baby. It's so pretty, my pretty princess.
Drama?
What's that? My baby has a costume later on. We will take a video for my baby late photo shoot. like newborn photo shoot. What is this, babe?
What?
What? Why she got all these bumps?
No, it's not bumps. It's just skin.
Babe, it's not a... Look at this one, babe. It has like a bumps, babe. Like...
Look here, also same thing. It is.
Maybe she has an allergy, babe.
Not allergy.
Look at you. My baby. My two babies. You're my baby girl now. Before I am the baby girl. Now you're the baby girl.
Yes.
That's so cute. That's so pretty, my princess. Look at you. Ay, so pretty. Pretty. Pretty yan. Sis, babe, what can you tell that's your father now? Sige na. What?
Happy.
Are you happy?
Obviously.
No regrets?
No regrets.
At all?
No. Small angel.
Oh, thank you. Thank you for giving me a family.
Oh.
Diba, baby princess? I have a family now.
Yeah.
You too, my family. My beautiful family. I love you. Okay, you're cranky na. Okay, you want milk? Oh,
Yeah,
there you go.
cranky
There you go.
So you should go in.
Okay. Let's have a milk.